Hello, Professor. My name is Veronica Hernandez, and I'm going to do my first video journal. And the first question is, how do the objectives and the standards relate to the assignment of being an educational administrator? And what I found is, after going through the objectives and going through the standards, I noticed that they overlap each other. So I noticed that visionary leader comes up in the standards, and it also comes up in our objectives. Another area is instructional leader. That's another area that we need to become experts at, and that is also going to be part of our coursework, but it's also part of the standards as well as the technology pieces that are included. So whatever the standards say, that's what we're going to be learning in our coursework, and that's how they relate to each other. And so they'll help me so that I can become a better leader when I go back. I'll have a strong background knowledge as far as what it is to be a leader after reading all the theories and all the research. And basically, I'm going through each standard and analyzing what is expected of me to be a leader at a school site or at a district level. The next question is, if I have any questions or concerns about the assignments. I guess the biggest concern that I had at the beginning was that it seemed like a lot of little assignments, and I started writing them down, hoping to make sure that I don't miss them. And I just wanted to make sure that, because there are 2 classes taken together, and what I noticed is that you let us know when something's due, and that's very helpful. And so I just want to make sure that I don't forget when something's due for either class. And that was just a concern that I had. Overall, what are you looking for to get out of this course? Well, for the background knowledge, to make sure that I have a good standing, that I know what I'm talking about when I go back to be a leader. I don't want to be the kind of person that they ask the question and I don't know. I want to have background knowledge as far as the theories. What are the leadership styles? What are the leadership theories? How do we govern a school? What are the political contexts? What are the cultural contexts? Especially here in California, we have the different politics, even right now as the nation is changing. So it would be good to get to know also what are the board policies. All of these areas that are in the standards and are in the objectives, I feel that they're very valuable to me. So I know that I'm going to get a lot out of this class with that background knowledge. What experience and expertise do you have? So I wrote some of them down here for myself to remember. Currently, I'm an ELD coach, so I'm working with teachers. So I'm an instructional leader. I get to go in and I get to support teachers. I have previously, and my expertise is English language development. I've taught in a bilingual class. I've taught in dual immersion classes. I've also been in charge of intervention at one of my sites that's working with my most intensive students. I was supervising our 8 instructional aides to go in and provide services for our students. I've also been on the Turnaround Arts Committee. It's a program where we integrate the arts back into our schools, which is amazing. I've done school site council, I've done SSTs. So I've had a little bit of everything in the schools, and I've been very lucky. I've been on the LCAP committee for the district, so I feel very blessed. And so that's how I feel that I can give to the schools. And I hope that this was informative for you. So that's all I have to say for today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.